been a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Good morning everyone. Sorry I'm late, guys. How's everyone doing? Give me a second here. Let me start my Zoom.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, Sunrise.
Good morning.
Good morning. This GBP news didn't do anything. Isn't that weird? I think this news is GDP, I believe. Yeah. Okay, we got PPI today, New York session. Can you guys hear
All
me?
eyes on FOMC.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Today is FOMC too. Yeah, I don't think I will be trading that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be deep asleep.
Yeah. FOMC is one of the news I don't like trading. Chanel killed gold yesterday. Smashed it. Good morning, Naman. How you doing? Good morning, Ravi. Yeah, I just remembered I don't have music playing in the background. You know something crazy that I just discovered today? Like, all these years that I've been using TradingView, I didn't even know they had a desktop app until today.
Are you using it now?
Yeah, that's what I'm using now.
Okay. I thought you just preferred the web browser or something.
Oh no. Shit, I prefer this desktop app better.
Yeah, I always use it.
I didn't know they had one.
Was it for Mac and PC?
Yeah, they have it for Mac and PC.
Okay, so no.
Nothing happened to GJ here with this news. You guys see the difference between using the 30-minute, for example, and the 5-minute demand? All we have to wait for now is to see if gold is going to break above this resistance at 1949. Even though gold fell all freaking day yesterday, I'm not expecting that to fall today, so we'll see. At least in London. You don't know? So this demand that I have drawn here, it's a 30-minute demand. As you can see right here. That's where we rejected 30-minute demand. So I'm just using that here on the 5-minute. Am I in gold buys? No, I'm not. I'm not in gold buys. Morning swag. Interested. Let's see if we're gonna do the same thing again. Was I profitable from the start? No, no one was profitable from the start. We gotta put work into this. You gotta put work into this, man. This takes time. But I will say this. When it comes to entrepreneurship, and I'm talking about any type of business that you want to start, right? Now, it's going to take you the reality is that it is going to take you some time before you figure everything out. It's going to take you some time. For some people, it might be 2 years. Some people might be 3, 4, 5, even a freaking decade trying to figure everything out. Now, the only way you can cut that time short, is for you to look for a mentor that has been doing that thing that you're trying to do, that has been doing it for years, and they're actually good at it. You find one, hey, congratulations to you. Now it's time to invest in yourself for you to get that skill set, that guidance that you need for you to be able to do the same thing that mentor is doing. Now, you don't have to go that route. It's not by force. It all depends on you. It all depends on you. So if you want to go that route, hey, congratulations to you. That means you have the potential or the ability to cut your learning short. Something that might have taken you maybe 3-4 years to figure it out, you could cut it to half. You could cut it to a year or 1.5. But if you want to do it on your own, hey, you can do that too. It's just going to take time. So just be patient. Even when you find a mentor, it's still going to take you time. The only difference is now you'll be able to cut your learning short. You can cut your learning short, especially when you still have access to that mentor. Maybe it's a one-on-one session every week, or maybe it's a community webinar every week. Something like that. You also have the email of that mentor. You can email, you can chat with that mentor. whenever you have questions. So as long as you have that guidance with whoever that mentor is, then you should be good. Eventually you will get it. But at the end of the day, this takes time, whether you have guidance or not. So just be patient. It's true, YouTube alone will not do it. I'll tell you this, Mel. YouTube alone can do it. YouTube alone can do it. I'm sure you guys have had some Forex students say, hey, they didn't have no mentor, they didn't have nothing. They just learned everything off of YouTube. That's what I did. When I started, I just couldn't afford to pay for a mentor. They were all asking me for freaking $3,000, $5,000. I'm like, what the hell? No. Anyway, I'll try to go do this on my own. If I love it, then I'll keep doing it. And that was it for me. But what I did was, while I was watching the YouTube video, I also got some information from Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy.com. So not everyone can learn that way, but as an individual, you know yourself. You know, even when you're doing this on your own, you know when it's time for you to say, okay, you know what? I'm tired of doing this on my own. You know, I need somebody to guide me. And then that's when you look for someone that's really, really gonna help you. Not just someone that's just gonna freaking sell you a course and bye-bye. That's it. You never see them, you never hear from them anymore. No, I'm not talking about mentors like that. I'm talking about mentors that actually have a community built around what they're doing. The mentor that you still gotta have access to. And I'm not saying you keep bombarding them with messages, but you know, just someone that you still have access to. If I decide to come out with a course today, like all the stuff that I'm doing here, I'm not gonna stop doing it. I'm not gonna stop trading live on YouTube. I'm not gonna stop trading live with my members during New York session. I'm not gonna stop doing my weekly webinars. I'm not gonna stop any of that. Because that way they still get access to me. They get to see how I trade while they're learning on their own as well. So it's all gonna help them in the long run. And some of them are already getting it. Some of them will even be they even take trades that I'd be like, damn, you took that? Shoot, okay. You tried YouTube and it's not working for you. Hey, you're not the only one. Good morning, Mike FX. Quick analysis on gold. All right, let's see. Let's go to gold here. Yeah, on a 1 hour time frame. So, as you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we are trying to keep pushing up here. Now we do have a resistance at 1949. We found support at this level here, which is also a 1 hour demand. So we found support right here, we rejected right here. So ever since that happened, we've been trying to push up. So now that we have a resistance at 1949 here, looking at the 1 hour time frame, if we can break above 1949, we wait for a demand setup, and we have decent gaps here on the 1 hour time frame for price to push up, and we might even get all the way back to 1966. So for me, as of right now, I'm only interested in buys. The only way I'm going to take a sell here is if we break below 1940, right? That's the only way I'm going to take sales here. Or if we break above 1949 and then we have a fake out, and then possibly we'll take a sell coming back down to 1940. But as of right now, I'm anticipating buys on gold. Yeah, you might be saying, oh, but we are bearish. Yeah, we are, but this support right here held. That's why we rejected here. Now, even if we sell, we could come down back to 1940, reject again, and see gold pushing back up. But I'm anticipating buys on gold. So we shall see. There is also a support right here that became resistance. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Right, so there is a support right here that became resistance, but I still feel like we're gonna break 1949. So we'll see what happens. Even though I do have a bias when I'm looking to trade, I don't marry my bias, meaning I don't focus on my bias. So that when the market doesn't do what I anticipated, and the market is doing something else, I'll be able to look for my setup and take a position.
Good morning.
Good morning.
But the surgery was successful.
You're in a sale at the moment from 1949. Looking for sales if you reject 1948. For me to take a sell right now on gold, we have to pull back to 1949 or 1948, reject, and then I'll look for a sell opportunity. But as of right now, there is no sell for me on gold. I just don't see it yet. In fact, the kind of sell I would like here is a fake out. We break above 1949, create a fake out, and then I'll look for sell opportunity. Shane, no more NAS 100 during London. It is going to be GER30 during London session. You're profitable to a, okay, now July will make you 3 years, and over that 3 years you've taken a few courses and they all contributed to my learning and profitable to a point. This is the thing, Mel. When new traders, when they start jumping trains, you went from this train to that train, from that train to this train, from this train to that train, meaning while you're trying to learn, you're doing it the wrong way because you're not sticking to one trader, or maybe two maximum. But when you going from this trader to that trader, buying every single thing that they got, you crowding your brain, you bombarding your brain. You're just gonna keep confusing yourself. Now, the reason why I said, before I say that, even if you get in courses, you don't have to get multiple courses. Like, you don't have to get multiple courses. Honestly, one course is enough. One course is enough, especially if that trader also added like a mentorship program or a private community to the course that they're selling. Then even while you're going through the course, you still have access to that trader, right? You still have access to that trader. So there's no point for you to keep looking at what other traders are doing and trying to keep getting courses. You don't have to do that. Now, this is the reason why I said maybe 2 traders maximum when you're trying to learn how to do this. Because when you are learning from trader A, whatever trader A is teaching, and you're also watching trader B, whatever trader B is teaching, if you're smart enough, one strategy has to resonate with you from trader A. Now, trader B, another strategy has to resonate with you. Now, when you look at those two, there is a way you can combine those two and make that strategy your own. You just have to keep working. Man, I don't know if I'm making sense. You just have to keep working. So you can combine trader A strategy and trader B strategy, combine both together, and you can make it your own. So stop bombarding your brain. And just also make sure you're keeping this simple. Make sure you're keeping it simple. Another thing I'm gonna say, people say Forex is hard. Forex is hard. But to be honest, Forex is hard because we make it hard. You can make it simple. Now, secondly, what the things that makes Forex hard for us as humans is because we're not computers. It's not a computer sitting behind this desk. I'm a human being. I have emotions, right? I have emotions. I'm breathing. My emotions can affect my psychology because trading has to do with money. Trading has to do with money. So because as traders, we let our emotions get involved, we're not patient enough, our risk management is bad, we don't have good money management, These are the things that's making Forex hard for a lot of traders. It's not that Forex itself is hard. No, it's not. It's hard because this involves money. That's why it's hard. Aside from that, this shit is simple. So I just wish traders can just stop saying Forex is hard. Yeah, but make it plain. Let people know and understand this is why Forex is hard. So if you can't fix this, then trading is just gonna keep getting hard for you. Alright. See what GJ is gonna. Oh, is this GJ? Oh no, this is God. At this point, if I'm looking to take buys on GJ, it's going to be above 176.906. Man, GJ is insane yesterday. She just kept on going and going and going and going and going. Hey, Sophia, did you catch a good sale yesterday, like Chanel? So it cut almost 200 pips.
Hey, King, gold sell. I didn't catch the entire trade. However, I did catch a piece. But what I was focusing on yesterday, because I was kind of busy, but I did, however, caught US30 and NAS 100 to the downside. So I played those indices in the US market yesterday. So I was kind of like focused on those.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It was really, really good. I caught over 678 pips on US30. So my focus was like over there.
That's nice.
But with gold, I saw it. It was definitely bearish, and he pointed that out to me too, because normally he would. Try to see what I'm doing, if we oppose stuff, and if I'm not correct in what he's seeing, then he would break it down. Maybe I would see what he see, or I would just stick to my bias. But in many cases, if I don't see what he sees, sometimes I would just leave the market because it's not clear and he's my mentor. So, but yeah, that was a very good one, a very, very good one. But I was just focused on, like I said, the US30 and the NASDAQ, because I saw that weakness in the market, and he was like, go for it. So that's what I did. You know, I wish I had stayed in, because what I did when what is it, US30 pulled back, then I was like, you know what, I don't think I want to risk this. And then he was like to me, you know what? That's all about trading. It's all about trading. It is gonna pull back. You need to sit there and you need to wait because he knows that I'm very impatient. He's like, you need to sit and you need to wait. So when I was pipping and over here, I keep doing like screenshot. He was like, yeah, screenshot upon screenshot until he kind of like blocked me, like, enough, go enjoy your pipping over there. So when I finally went ahead and take profit, it was really good. It was really, really good. But I was watching your screen throughout the end, and it was great stuff yesterday, even on that oil. I even caught your oil. Yeah.
Yeah, the oil bars yesterday was nice.
I watched it. It was a very good one.
I told Tanel not Tanel. I told Wall to hold with me, but he didn't want to.
Oh, well, what happened? You didn't want to roll yesterday?
How much extra did I miss out on?
Oh.
You missed out on 30 pips more.
Damn.
I had to close because you started pulling back, and if I didn't close, you would have stopped me out anyway. So
yeah, sometimes it's worth coming out early and just taking your little pips and run with it, which is what I do. But sometimes it's not the wise thing to do. Sometimes the wise thing to do is to hold. But oh my goodness, holding sometime, I don't know. Tanel would tell me yesterday, I forgot what I was doing, and he says, well, if you don't have the guts for it, I don't know why you're in the market. Rude. But it's a way of saying, you know what? You're already in the trade, just leave it, let it run, Yeah, but it was a great day overall. I know even with news, folks always say with news market, it's a bad market and there's nothing here. You just have to wait, just to wait it out, allow market to settle and go ahead and make your move based on your analysts. Make that move.
yeah, you just have to wait.
But yeah, I saw everything yesterday. I was definitely on and you stayed a little bit longer than usual yesterday. I'm like, getting your pipping over there. Yeah. I remember you saying at the end that you're tired, and I think it was Faye was like, yeah, I'm tired too. And which was it? Because at that point, I've had it myself. I've had it yesterday. We all had it. But it was overall a great day. I mean, you're doing a great thing. I would say, there's gonna be a lot of haters over there, which do come in on YouTube. Regardless of what a person does, there's always gonna be someone who's negative towards them. So I think we should just possibly just ignore them at times. Let them talk, because whether you do, they will talk. Whether you don't, they will talk. But I think you're doing a great thing for us, the community, and for others to see who could hopefully join our community so that you're able to take us to the next level. People will continue to bash you. We're going to continue to have losing trades because we are traders. It's a part of the game. The market was designed for us to fail, but we have figured it out. King, you have figured it out. If we are having more winning trades and actual losing trades and actually able to triple up on our losing trade, I mean, that's all that we want. Even if we just double up on a losing trade, we lose today, you make it back the next day twice. Even if you don't, the following day, the day after, 3 times. So it really doesn't matter. So what if we lose one day? Get up, you brush it off, and you just continue. And this is what we do. It's a community. We're here to hold each other hands.
Yeah, to top up what you said. So the beginning of this month, I'm sure you guys remember, first week of this month was horrible. We all had losing week. Wasn't good on stream. Wasn't good down in New York either. But in a nutshell, was a bad week. Second week, smashed it, made back what we lost, and profits. That's why I've been able to increase my lot size to my normal fixed lot size now. You know, there will be losses, but at the end of the day, if you're a good and profitable trader, you will always make back what you lost.
Manage that risk, yeah.
You always make back what you lost. And also to top that off as well. Now, what I'm about to say, this is only for serious people that really wants to learn and is not scared of investing, some money. Now, my private chat room, you can get it now just with a 7-day free trial. So you have 7 days to do whatever you want to see how I trade. Maybe I trade differently during New York session. You will find out. Then you will also be able to get one mentorship session from me, because I do that every week on Saturdays, and you get Zoom access with us here. So you can try that out, 7 days. If you like it, then you pay. If you don't like it, hey, then the bot is just gonna boot you out of my Discord. So 7 days to try it out. If you're interested, link is in the description and it's gonna be in the chat as well. Well, we got 12 more minutes for London Open. Damn, only 47 likes. Can we get 100 likes before London Open? What's my normal lot size? So I have 2 main accounts and I have 2 funded accounts, and I'm taking the challenge right now. It's 3 phase, but right now I'm still on phase 2. So on my main account, I'm sure that's what you're asking. On one of them, my fixed lot size is 30, and another one, my fixed lot size is 50. I'll say 60 because on my other account it's 60 because I twin trade, right? Meaning I take 2 positions every time I take a trade. I take 2 positions and it'll be 30-30, so that's 60, and then the other one will be 50-50, then so that's 100 lots. So 100 lots, 60 lots. And I'm never, no, I wouldn't say never, because hey, if my account keep growing, then I might want to increase my lot size. But for now, I don't see myself increasing my lot size, at least not this year. Maybe next year, probably will increase my lot size. But this year, no. Oh, okay, queued up it. I got it. I'll do that after the stream. For the challenge, do you suggest fixed lot size? Yes, I suggest fixed lot size all through the phases, right? Fixed challenge, and in order for you to have, I say fixed challenge, in order for you to also have a fixed lot size, you have to make sure you follow in risk management. Maybe you're only looking to risk 1%, and then if you're only willing to risk 1%, well, I don't think anyone should be risking more than 1% anyways if you're trying to pass your challenge. So we'll go with 1%. Now, you also have to make sure that your lot size is going to match that lot size. I don't know if I'm making sense. And I want to put it out there also for everyone. In my own opinion, risk management is not based off of your balance. I'll say that again. Your balance or your equity. That's not what it is. Your risk management is based on how much you're willing to lose. I hope I'm making sense here. Your risk management is based off of what you're willing to lose. So, example, you have $1,000 account, and you say to yourself, you know what, I'm only risking to, because it's your account, I'm only willing to risk 2%. 2% of $1,000 is $20. $20, right? Now, we know that, okay, 2% of $1,000 is $20. So you say, I only want to lose $20. Now, you think that's what you're doing. But by the time you take a trade, let's say we're looking at gold now, and I take a trade, and my lot size is 1 standard, right? Now, my lot size is 1 standard. That means I'm spending $10 per pip. That's what I'm spending. So if I set my stop loss to 20 pips, that means if I lose that trade, I just lost $200. I just lost $200. Now that $200 that I lost, that's freaking 20%. That's not 2%. So make sure you know what you're willing to lose, and then you choose the right lot size. If I was only willing to lose $20, then my lot size would have been 0.1 or 0.1. That's $1 per pip. If the trade goes wrong, my stop loss gets hit, guess what? I'm only gonna lose $20. Now that's 2%. is very, very important, especially when you're trying to grow an account or pass a challenge to get funded. We don't really have no volume right now, so hopefully we get some volume when London opens. We should, because sometimes when we don't have volume with London, then we should have some volume when London opens. Can we get 30 more likes here? 30 more likes to get 100. We got 3 more minutes to wait until London opens. You're trying to pass top step 150k challenge. Don't worry, Shane, you get it. You'll pass it. Got a 1 hour resistance from here. We could break it or we could reject. We break, we keep waiting.
frame, nothing changed. Yeah. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a bad testy for my bestie. She riding like a testy. I might run the score if she let me. First time in Miami, rode them jet skis. Now I stay on go, used to stay on road. Cold kept me on, put the bags on hold. It keeps coming in, spend it on my kids, spend it on my boots, put it on the beat. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, don't stop. Yeah, oh my God.
As of right now, if I'm gonna take buys in Usoil, I need this thing to break 69,942. But we could still drop and not break. But first, before I consider sales, I need to see how we react at this demand right here, this 30-minute demand. Then if I have room and a nice entry for sales, I'll take it. Even with all this rejection and this demand here, gold might not hold. Why does this music keep stop playing? Okay. And I like what's gonna happen here. If GER30 can come back down and retest this demand that we've created here, I might consider buys. It's all gonna depend on the entry. I didn't take it because of the 1 hour resistance that was formed. If this previous 1 hour had closed bullish, I would have taken these buys. Okay, good in doing nothing. Okay. Don't like how. So we didn't reject. Now, this is what I'm looking for. Let's see if Usoil is gonna give it to me. Gold is going to 1936. We might. I'm just not comfortable taking a sell right now on gold. And if she drops, she drops. Not comfortable taking a sell right there. This is 15-minute demand. I would like to see us close above this resistance and then pull back to this demand, then push back up or back to this resistance. But first I want to see a break. Because if we pull back, then if we pull back to this resistance or this 15-minute demand, then we can potentially push back up to the next high, which will be 162.61. I would like to see a setup like that. So we'll see. Usoil right now, I'm waiting to see us pull back up to this supply we created here, reject, and then I'll take a sell. And if we continue pushing up, then I'm just gonna wait for the break. Simple. If gold does not break below this demand here, or we close nicely with a nice engulfing candle, I'm still not gonna consider sales on gold. Until that happens, that will do. mark up the new supply created. Anticipated maybe 1 candle, 2 candle pullback rejection. And then I take a sell coming back to the lows. Because at that point, we should come back to the lows. See something here. This thing might reject the whole area. So getting move here on Usoil. I don't know where stop loss is gonna be for now. Don't know where entry is gonna be either. We're doing this. And Teddy just wants to keep going. No worries. Yeah, German 30 is speaking. She didn't give me what I was looking for yet.
Take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wife your hair and spin bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. faster, ay. Go faster, ay. Go faster, ay. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ay. Go faster, ay. Go faster, ay. Go faster, ay.
This demand actually is still holding the 30-minute demand, but at this point, I'm anticipating sales. The phase 2 challenge I'm in right now is it fundedness or 5%ers. It's 5%ers. Challenge I'm doing now is a 3-phase challenge. You're welcome. I'm not in a trade yet. And we still don't have 100 likes. Come on, guys, we need 8 more likes at least to get 100.
4 turns to 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wake. I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff is silent. Double up. The money I color up. Color up. Double up. The money I color up. I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Throw me lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. You need to catch up.
And we had at least a 20 pip range there.
Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check is clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear. Double up. The money I color up. Color up. Double up. The money I color up. Color up.
I don't know why this music just keeps stopping.
Feel me? Shake it up. Yeah, feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a million. Yeah, feel me? You feel me?
While I was sitting over here, I was contemplating about this gold buys here. I'm like, you know what, if we break this resistance, this demand has been holding. We should go up if we break these highs. I'm like, nope. I keep debating, should I take the buys? Should I just leave it alone? Wait until we break 1949. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait. Let us break structure first, and then we look for entries. That's the smarter decision. You took hey, nice. The only reason why I considered even taking it was because of how good it looks on the 1 hour time frame. Just for this reason alone. We're creating support right there on the 1 hour. So I have with 5% Sunrise, I have a instant funded account. I have a iStakes funded account. So the challenge I'm doing now is boot camp, and that's the 3-phase. That's what I have with them. Usoil. Gbpjpy 2K2, very nice. I'll take the entry too. I just didn't like it. You're welcome. I'm over here waiting for Usoil to make up my mind. How many pips is this? I have a 1-to-1 here. Okay. Yes, I do. No, I'm not in Gbpjpy. Once I'm in, I'll call it.
I got things to do. Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the block with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do.
This might not hold. If this does not hold, we break this support here. I'll be looking for sales. I'll be right back. Man, it's too cold in here.
Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Stop playing with me, girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me, so just come stay with me. We could be on the run, we could be on the go, we could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so. Yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so.
As long, excuse me, as long as we do not close below this support, we could still push back up. And we got a very nice demand right here. So I won't be looking for sales until we break below this demand. We need to be down.
I think people need to focus on the gold and GJ correlation. I think people need to focus on the correlation between gold and GJ.
Yes, sometimes they move together or they move against each other. Which is still weird to me. Because I don't know what they have to do with each other. You're just still thinking. Ooh. The 30-minute demand held on USO. And look at this candle. It has no bottom wick. So we wait for a potential break of structure here. GER30 and us behave the same way most of the time.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks, tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good, tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags, she shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say nothing, I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's the case one. I've been down too, like the day strong. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise, I've been paranoid. This is God body, you can never void. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks, tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good, tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags, she shot till we drop. These beats are up and beat 'em, these bags you can't believe 'em. I never saw the country, but the money comes from Sweden. I meet 'em, then I leave 'em, I wake up, fight my demons. I never grew my circle, I can't trust you with my freedom. Give me locked down, keep you locked out. Only when it's here, you look pop now. I get drops now, on the top now. In the wintertime, still go top down. I get free. I don't go bustin', I go plain Jane, watch me ski. Yeah, I see you now, I could tell you watching me. I go ghost, but tell me I'm more like his lead. Rockstar, baby, turn pop star. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks, tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good.
Oh damn, sorry to hear that.
I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags, she shot till we drop.
I'd like to see us start to break the previous bearish candle. I'm in the buys.
Is anyone saying anything, or is it just my computer? Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, but did you say anything though?
No, I just said I'm in the buys.
Oh, I saw that, but I just didn't hear anything. Okay, good. Thanks.
Play no games. No way. 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 I can't play. Yo way. My bills paid. You can't so way. Day to day. I'm on cool. I got babies, they got needs, and I'ma meet 'em. I got babies, so I clothe them and I feed them. I got babies, living angels, they're no demons. I got babies, you meet God if you mistreat them. Play no games. No way. 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 Play no games.
Yes, Patel.
Got me paid for sure. Rapid work. Those paid year to year, every year. You know it. Got no TikTok, not a flash, it's everlasting. I don't rock none. If I see you, busters have 'em. I'm athletic, I wear track pants, never matching. I'm a baller, watch me Euro to the basket. Play no games. No way. 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 No way. No way. No way. No way.
I have you 1-to-1 here. Considering The 1 hour candle closes in 6 minutes, so I'm gonna wait until that happens. If this new candle closes bearish on gold, that would be nice. This candle has no bottom wick. Yes, I'm still in GJ. GJ is now playing. Watch code here. You see better buys on GJ at 176 for 17. What's wrong with this music? Okay. See how you can go from positive to negative, just like that. But I'm not gonna chicken out. I'm gonna wait for this trade to play out. Tight stop loss. Right below the support that we formed, so gonna let this trade play out. We really didn't break structure on GJ. We had a rejection at a previous demand and gaps to fill right there. I'm still expecting GJ to go up, but we'll see. I don't see it falling, but we'll see. Worst case, we might come down to some more and tap this zone right here and then start pushing up again. We'll see what she's gonna do. Was a nice rejection too.
Myself just me lately, I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. For kids.
Should be a 1-to-1 trade.
Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
I'm good, Melania. Oh, alright, Faye, no worries. Check GER30, guys. I'm in GER30. GER30. Trying to flip average. This is a 20 pip stop loss here on GER30. Or 200 points.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Like the moon, fast, you used to pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be
My first target for GER30 is the next 4-hour high, I believe. 163.01.50.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
GER30 is just playing around today. And GJ. So what GER30 is not trying to do. It is, yeah. After rejecting and creating support at the previous high, we shall see. Did I place a buy on GJ? Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big, big. I knew that one day that I could make it big, big. I'm talking how to stay smoking without a sense. Now we get up and do it like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. Took some losses through the process, had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious.
Alright, secured on. Oh man, he should pull back up, man.
She did it just like gold yesterday.
No, as I was just about to click close with some profit, she just pulled back. So I couldn't do it yet.
Family and love is what I stand on. If it's love, I got it tatted. Father, I'm not absent. I was working smarter back when they was working backwards. Do it for the gram, you only do it for a caption. Dropping back to back, but really I've been relaxing. I might go for months, I could go for years. If I take a break, I promise I'll be relapsing. Started from the mud.
I can't take any more trades right now. I'm still in GJ. And the only trade that's in profit right now is GER30. So I've taken 2 trades. I haven't made money from it yet. It's pointless for me to take another trade right now. Come on, GER30, get back up there. There we go. Nice. Secured. Nice one. More stops to break even. And let's see if we're gonna get 200 points. Close this. Able to get 120 points from this GER30.
I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Pocket full of faces and they're blue. Alright. Start the car and I drop out the roof. I'm sliding. Everything you said, it wasn't true. You lied. Call my phone and you wanted to scoop. You tried. Stop talking about the deal when you don't have a deal. Lying through the teeth so much, thinking that it's real. Cut off the mixer, so now everything is sealed. I dump off a bag and let my baby count the bills. Bada boom, bada bing. Catch me riding clean, not the paint, but the slips got 'em. I can't have no leans.
Can we get 150 likes?
Go hard and stay humble, can't let nothing come between. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before.
Got 10 on GJ.
What? You got 10 on GJ?
Yeah. $11?
Wow.
You caught it on the pullback. That's nice. White wall?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's cool.
Oh, you're talking about oil?
No, GJ.
Oh. I didn't get 10 yet.
That's because you got in early, Abe. He got it on the pullback.
Oh, yeah, that must be why.
Mm-hmm. Because I'm not 10 yet. I waited too. But I'm up like 5. I'm 5 pips there over here.
I'm at 7.
Mm-hmm.
So wow, you took GJ before I called it?
Oh, no. It popped and I took it, and then I waited. When it pulled back, I got in on my second one.
Oh, okay. So you took 2 positions.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, that means you're still waiting to close to take partials on one of the trades you took, one of the positions.
The second one, I'm just about to get it, and yeah, I got it.
I'm still 2 pips away. Sunrise says she's 2 pips away too. Yeah, I would have taken USL too, but I had to wait. Yeah, someone said they got 70 pips on GJ. We've not even moved. Like some of us we don't even have 10 pips yet. It said it's got 90. I mean 70. Yeah, Faye, you and well, I know. Like every time, even though in New York, whenever we trade GJ, you guys always get 10 pips before I do.
But you always get it before me on the indices and stuff.
We just have to move to Australia. King, you and I. Australia here. Make way over there, Faye and Wall for us.
We'll pull out an extra mattress. Come on down.
We'll be there. Next flight out.
You pull out a mat? No, pull out a mattress? No, I need an executive mattress. You hear me, Wal?
I hear you. Don't worry. I'll give you the bed. You do the trading.
That's what's up.
Come on, GJ, pay me my money.
Oh man, German 30 almost took me out.
It took
Look,
me
there
out.
we go. Oh man, messing with GER30. I was looking at GER30. Oh, now I gotta wait again.
You should have your 10, King.
I did, but I missed it.
Oh.
Got it. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. For some of you, this TP1 will be 20 pips. For some, it might be 15. Just depending on your entry.
And my oil all marked up, missed my entry. Would have been a good one. Can't win them all, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I saw it. I didn't want to take it because we were still in drawdown on GER30 and GJ. That's why I didn't take it. So,
but I totally forgot about it over here, concentrating on GG there.
Yeah, I totally forgot too.
It would have been a good one. Let's see how many pips it would have been. Approximate
Breakout, retest, push.
Yeah,
very
it
good.
was right there. Wow, that's 50 pips. Yeah, we would have made that 50. I would have gone back to bed by now. Would have had my 3 trades because I took gold later last night. So I came out.
Thank you, German 30.
Yeah. Nice.
200 points on GER30.
Nice. That thing
That's the thing I notice a lot. It's like it'll come back just enough to stop you out and then make its next run.
I was stopped out though. So not in.
Yeah, that sucks.
Mm-hmm.
And you know the candle that stops you out all the time, it's like it just ticks you and then it just completely flips.
Mm-hmm. Wow, look at that. Nice. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. Even there's one. Ooh. Like they all doing something this morning. I miss my oil. Oh my goodness. Well, could head to maybe 70, 71 over there. Who knows where there's anything? Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful.
Abe, I'm holding this. I'm holding this for the whole day.
What then what?
German 30. You can't make me. You can't beat me this time. I'm holding it. It's all or nothing.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm holding for you mentally.
Hello.
Damn, TP1 almost got smashed.
Hello. Oh,
Oh,
hello, people.
hey, red lady.
Hello.
You said TP1 smash?
I said almost got smashed.
Mm. Mm. Where are we on? I just set my limit order. I did. I'm taking profit. Oh man, I just fell right back to sleep. Oh man, I can't sit today.
Yeah, your body said no. You need to go back to bed.
I took my profit. Thank you.
I didn't take your profit while you were asleep.
Oh, I said no. I just took it.
Oh, you just took it out.
Yeah, I'd said, but I wanted to go to TP, but I woke up before.
You got you woke up by the right time. You didn't have to go through the emotional trauma.
I was tired. I was tired. What time is it? I was there. I was just. My daughter was talking to me, so I put it on mute, and I didn't even realize when I fell asleep. Okay, I could go back to sleep. I got zero. I got 0.02 left, so that's it. I'm going to sleep. Wait, do I have a TP? Yeah, I got TP on both of them.
Move up that stop loss. Move up your stop loss.
Oh, Gemma.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gemma.
Oh yeah. Oh
Gemma
yeah.
30 is now Gemma 40.
On some platforms.
I'm like, that's not what it's saying on mine.
No, they just switched it?
No,
Check.
like it said 2021. Anton said since September 2021.
Oh. Maybe that's why mine says German 40.
Oh, yours says German 40?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine says actually DE30. Yeah, it depends on the broker, I guess.
Excuse me.
Like just some people's broker will be like say DAX, DEX,
Yeah.
or German 30 or DE30. So mine says DE30.
Mine said German 30. Oh, my stop loss. Oh my Jesus.
Oh, yours says DAX 40, Stanley? So guys, like I said in the beginning, this is for those of you on YouTube. Right now, I have a 7-day free trial to my private trade room. If you're interested in it, the link is in the description. 7 days. If you don't like it after 7 days, for whatever reason, hey, the bot will just kick you out automatically. And if you like it after 7 days, and then you can pay your monthly fee.
Oh yeah?
Huh?
What month is this? June. Oh.
Yeah.
Can I get a refund for the discount?
It's not, I'm not giving a discount, it's like a free trial, 7 days.
How long? Oh, it's 7. Oh, I'm thinking give it a 30-day. Okay, well, that's good. Free trial. Oh, so Zoom when today it starts, King?
Yeah.
Oh, Zoom gonna be packed later.
No one probably, nobody probably got in.
What do they just have to go to Discord? What do they have to do?
The link is in the description. Just click the link.
Oh, you hear that, guys? Click the link in the description for the 7-day free trial. So we'll see you all in Zoom later in New York. I think. Wait, how did I hit TP on GJ? What the crap? Oh, I put it at 80. Oh, my TP's at 80. Let me move it up. Oh God, no, don't hit it yet. Okay. GJ is on a roll.
Could break its high.
Oh yeah, she's going to what? Highs from what? When is that?
No, when I say high, I mean previous high.
Pardon?
No, I said when I say high, it's previous high. But if you want to know the highs, you'd have to go further down.
Oh yeah, I know. I see like years. Let me see. When was that? Oh wow, that was in 2015. Oh my Jesus! Why did I think for pandemic it went up that high? I guess it didn't. Oh wow. January 3rd, 2016. Interesting. The yang is at its all-time high.
Next view.
Yeah, GJ almost got the TP. GER30, the same thing.
What's the all-time high on GJ? 195.52, 53.
I'm wanting to sleep now. I said, I am wanting to sleep now. I think this is our last trade, right? Right, King?
Yeah.
Anyone caught gold from the last night's session? German session?
Where the session last night?
Huh?
Where the session?
Prior to London, anyone?
Oh, you mean Asian session? Huh? Oh,
No,
yeah. Oh, I
I
got in. Let me see where I got in at. 41. Then I was just testing it. I got out at 42. Then I came back in at 48 to 49.11. And closed out.
What time? What time?
Actually, that was this morning I closed out.
That's 7
I think that
7 a.m. CST.
Yeah, I think that was this morning I got back in. If I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I don't know. These times things on here is like I have no clue. My chart should tell me where did I get in at, but it's not. Okay, here we go. All right. 10:25. I don't know what's it. It's now 11. So, I got in at. What time is it? 4? So I got out at I got in at 10:25. That's like 3:25. Oh yeah, 3:20. That's what it's saying. Because now it's 11:40, which is 4:40, and 10:25 would be 3:25. Oh wow. See, I'd set it to get back in at 45.50, but I missed my entry. So when I saw it, it was there. So I just got in and it popped and I came out. Where did you get in at?
Go back and see. Hold on. Right, we're talking about gold. Look at it. Yeah.
Man, I should have stayed in it from the 41 that I got in at. I
Mhm.
was watching it all last night. I was just watching it and I said, if it get back down there, I'm getting in. But it did get back down there, but oh God, I was so tired. I was like, you know what? Just close out, Charmaine, because you're gonna fall asleep and something is gonna happen.
You stopped it, man.
I get stopped out, so I just closed it out. So.
You got in just about the whole 1941 area because I was stuck in it.
Oh, you got in at 1941 too?
Yeah, it got filled a little bit higher, almost 42.
Okay.
No, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, I got in at 41. I was just testing it and it, yeah. But then I came back and got in up there, which was really high. And it's a surprise. I set a limit for 45.50, but it never
Go German 30.
Go German 30.
Yeah, they didn't fill my fill me at 45.50.
I did 2 entry on it.
TP1 smashed German 30.
What on gold?
I think King is
30.
speaking.
Oh, it's actually 300 points.
Okay, congratulations. Beautiful.
Oh, well, it's still going. I still got my little 0.02 in. Thank you.
I got stopped out.
Oh no.
Final TP up, yeah.
Smashed. Boom.
That's my final TP.
What's the TP? 334. Let me put it in. 334. 16. 334.
Wow. There was so much left on the table with my German 30 because I got smacked out of this thing. And I like German 30. It's like one of my favorite pairs now indices.
I'm liking Usoil better.
Thank you to German 30 because that's my favorite indices now.
Oh yeah?
Really?
But it moved just like NAS though. Didn't NAS move the same way?
It does, but I like it. I feel like it's not as volatile as NAS.
Check it down in New York.
I like it more.
Oh,
than
you know
NAS.
what? Oh, this is like German in this index.
You were saying what? Go ahead, Wolf.
Oh no, I just said see you, Justin. He said see y'all.
Ah, okay. Okay, Justin, bye.
But yeah, German 30, it moves more, like normal than NAS.
A little bit more trustworthy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's it.
NAS, you can't. NAS will tell you something and just switch it on you. NAS is like one of those person you say something to and they agree without a contract, and then they're like, I didn't say that. It's a verbal contract and it's not written. They're like, that's NAS for you. German 30, you can say, okay, verbal contract. It is a contract. Is a contract.
Okay, madam.
But I like it. I really do.
Okay. I guess it's like Asian session, nice and easy going, right?
Mhm. While still holding your German?
Yeah. I think it's going to come back and stop me out because it's at major resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's FOMC.
Then why not just take your profit?
Because I got a dream.
Okay.
Oh, what got
Martin Luther King, I got a dream.
Okay. All right, Walt.
My dream is FOMC. He says something good and it just flies to the moon.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so we're leaving it then.
Minimal contract.
I mean, you ain't got nothing to be worried about now. 300 points already secured.
Exactly. Exactly. So whatever it does, it does.
Whatever happens, happens.
Mm-hmm. And it secured move the stop loss, so whatever happens, happens.
Mhm.
How's the family on YouTube?
I've already secured 95% of my position, so I only got 5% running. So trippy one smash.
Okay. Okay. Hey, YouTube family. Oh, look at you, Jay. What a little bad self today. Losing all my money for the past couple of... every time we got in except yesterday. I said I was done with GJ, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my cloud.
Be nice if we continue. Gosh.
Hey, where's Faye? Hey, Faye. Oh, Faye's traveling?
She's on YouTube today.
Oh, that's why we're winning today.
TP2 here will be for 30 pips.
Well, I don't know what you just said, but I'm gonna leave it alone.
Normally, whenever she's not around, we take losses.
Oh, we take losses whenever she's not.
Yeah.
Oh, but she's on YouTube. Okay. Just got home, drive tired, so I'm not for long. Okay, Faye. So, King, when do you move your stop loss from break even to even further up?
Right now, you can put stop loss on GJ at this resistance.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, somebody just got me out. What happened? I just got stopped. Uh-oh. I just got stopped. I just got, I guess my TP must have hit. On GJ.
Yeah, TP1 got hit.
Yeah, no, I had it up like 85 or something like that. I don't know why. What happened? Let's see. Oh, yeah, it hit. Okay, they hit, so took me out. Okay, thank you. Thank you for that.
been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick.
Some wins in the chat. Some devil in the chat.
One more like, guys. Let's close this with 150 likes at least. Oh, TP2 smashed.
The German 30 is breaking all-time highs. Oh, wow.
Almost.
Huh?
Almost.
You didn't hit it? It looks close enough to me. Oh.
Still got about 20 points higher.
To go?
Yeah.
I must need new glasses.
I'm gonna show you guys where my final TP is on GJ. I might get out.
Oh, yeah.
I might get out earlier than that, but for now, I'm gonna put my TP there. Final. Right here.
Okay.
There will be 70 pips if you get smashed. And I'm gonna just be trailing my stop loss.
You trailing it by how much pips, King?
I don't do that. I just, because I do it manually, so I just be moving
Oh,
it
so you're
to
gonna be watching.
once the support is formed, then and we break the highs, then I'll put my new stop loss below the new support since I'm in a buy. Right now, my stop loss is above this resistance for now, and that's gonna be. I mean, my stop loss is above entry now, so I'm good. All right, YouTube, Zoom. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might say tomorrow.
Later.
I'll see you guys later at our New York session.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Get some sleep, guys.
See you guys later.
Take care.
Recording stopped.
All right, YouTube. So like I said earlier, my private trade room, you can get it now. You can get a 7-day free trial. After that, if you like it, you get it. If you don't, then hey, it is what it is. So, but if you want access to that, link is down below in the description. Aside from that, thank you guys for hopping on. God bless you all. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag.
that, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better